Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to find average of three numbers in Java. So we're gonna get 1, 2, 3 numbers to get the average, and then we calculate the average in Java. So we're gonna open a new Java program where we're gonna create here, and we say average. No, we're gonna name it average. Okay, I'm sorry, let me cancel this and create a new project and say average. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Here we just say next. It's like I'm tired, that's how I'm doing things which are not appropriate. I'm sorry. Then we're gonna make this project to make it average Java. Okay, then we do say finish. After finishing, we expect Java to create for us something. We don't want to see this. Let's wait. Still showing us the old program. I wonder why. Let's cancel this. There could be something weak we don't understand. We start afresh. We open our Apache NetBeans. Let's see. Yes, we're here. Let's go to, can I find the project I've just created now, because I don't want to create identical. Okay, let's click here. When you click here, what happens? We go here down, source packages, Java. Okay, it seems like something went wrong here, and let me delete that. Anyway, it's fine. Delete that folder, then we create another one. We're not supposed to do this anyway, but let's do it. Sorry about that. I might be chowing some seconds from your time, but I'm sorry. But I'm gonna teach you this and you understand 100%. Create new project. Just say next. When you're here, I'm gonna say my average. Then we finish. After finishing, we expecting the system to show us the main program. Okay, let's click here. We don't see nothing. We click here. We don't see nothing. Okay, anyway, we can use this to avoid any conflict. What I'm gonna do is because I click here and I don't want to be in too much fixing things which are going to take all our time. We're gonna use this already. We're gonna just import swing. Okay, we have that. So I'm gonna ask the first one. It's gonna be declare like int. I'll call this guy A, because it's gonna be our equals to int A, int B, because they have three numbers, int C. Then here we call the average equals to 0, gonna be 0. Then we come here and say I call that my average and say int, because we want it to be also integer. So we come here and say we say A, which is the first number, equals to no. Okay, we're gonna say int A. There's no need for me to do that. I'm gonna say A equals to J option pen. Okay, No, it shouldn't be like that. It should be integer dot pass int Okay, inside here I wanna put j option pen to say dot show input dialog, the first one. Okay, then here we're gonna say enter first enter number. Once we get the first number, let's see. Okay, once we get the first number, it's fine. We close here. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna repeat this for how many times? We're gonna do that 3 times 2, 3. But now we're gonna say B, C. Also, you have to change the text here to let the person know second number. Then we say third. So after getting the third number, then we have to calculate our average, which is gonna be this. Then average equals to, average is gonna be equals to divide by 3. Yes, so we're gonna say A will be A plus B plus C. Okay, once we get that, that's our program is done. Only what it's looking for to output. So what we're gonna output here is gonna be simple. We're gonna output the J option pen. We put it there, but now this time we're gonna say to show message dialog message. Okay, we say message dialog here. We should say now. We come here. I like the pop-ups. I don't use scan as much. I like this if okay, it was showing me the right thing, my average, which is good. Okay, I'm gonna test now our program. We say run. Enter first number. First number is gonna be 4. Second number is gonna be 8. Third number is gonna be 27. Equals to 13 is the average number. You can see. Okay, let's try to do simple numbers. We see every simple first number is gonna be 2. Second number is gonna be 2. Third number is gonna be 2. Average is also equals to 2. So this is the simple program. We can see how we've done that, and I hope that's what you've been looking for, because this is something which has only 3 numbers, and we add all those numbers, then we divide it by 3. Can it work on 4 numbers? Yes, of course it should work. So this is the average we get on each and every number. So we use the J option pen. First of all, you didn't see when I was importing this because this class was already there. Just import javax.swing.j option pen, because if you don't import this, it's gonna give you an error down. So let me cut this away. You can see it gives you the error which says cannot find symbol variable J option pen location class main. So you must import that then to see that you're going to go well. So javax.swing.j option pen, you import that, you create here your class name, then you go and create your main method here where you're gonna run your program. Then you come here and initialize this, what we said, declare all of these. This is gonna be number 1, number 2, number 3. So you come here, you connect it to J option parent so that the user can be asked that number, and then after, then the user is gonna be asked for the second number, the user is gonna be asked for the third number. Then here you get the average, and plus all this, then you divide it. Your average anyway is whatever all you get, then you divide by 3 because they are 1, 2, 3. If you put 4, it should be 4, something like that. You might find some tutorials whereby people teach they use the scanner. It's fine, but this is our simple Java code on that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and also click the like button and also leave a comment. We would appreciate that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.